Welcome back to the Mid-Year Mitch YouTube channel. I wanted to make a quick video to tell you I'll be at Corvettes at Carlisle August 24th to the 26th, Thursday to Saturday. So be sure to stop by and see my 67 Corvette Overkill at spot K62, which is right by the Quanta gas tank trailer. I also wanted to show you guys the next generation of Mid-Year merch. So we have Mid-Year Mitch Restoration hat, as well as a Mid-Year Mitch t-shirt, which you can see it has a nice little logo on the front, and then it has a Corvette DNA on the back. So they're real nice t-shirts, real soft. I think you guys will like them. They have a cool design, little logo on the front, big print on the back like some people requested. So I'm gonna have a good bit of these at Corvettes at Carlisle, so come stop by and grab one. And I'm also gonna try to work on having a website up later this year. So those of you who can't make it out to the show and would either like to order a hat or a t-shirt, you guys can do so, and I'll work on coming out with some more designs, give you guys some options in the future. But this is just kind of dipping my hands into it to see, see what we can do here. So I think these are pretty cool. I'll be repping these, and you guys should come out to see my 67 Corvette and get yourself some merch. And then I also laid in some decals I got. You guys will have to let me know. The original big tank cars had the jacking instructions and that caution label in these cars. They had them about in that spot. I've seen them in a couple different areas, but let me know if you guys would glue those there or leave it without them. I'm still kind of debating that. So I'm gonna get going. A lot of work to do. So hopefully the goal today is to get the whole car wired, gauge cluster in, steering column, steering wheel, get the seat in. That way I can figure out how long my steering shaft needs to be. I need to get the steering hooked up. I need to get the tack cable, speedometer, oil pressure line. The wires ran through here. I want to get the headlights wired up, parking lights, horn relay, voltage regulator, all that stuff hooked up, so that way the car is fully wired, get the battery in it, and that way all I need to do is get the expansion tank, those couple lines made, and then work on power steering, and this thing's ready to fire. Oh, and I need side pipes. So I have a lot of work to do today. Let's get to it.